Can you say help? Can you say bubble? Can you say bus? Can you say auntie? Yeah. Can you say uncle? Can you say Becca? Good job. Can you say Becca? Can you say Josh? Can you say mommy? How about daddy? How about I want mommy? Can you say oh no? Good job. Say oh no. Can you say I love you? Can you say I want daddy? Ryan, can you say I want daddy? Oh, you want mama? Can you say I want a book? Can you say book? I'll help you. Can you say book? Can you say I want books? Can you say bye-bye? Good job.